Welcome to our wonderful farm. Here, the sun rises early and all the animals start their day. Meet our friendly puppy, Max. He loves to play and greet everyone with a wagging tail. Look at Mama Hen. She's taking care of her little chicks. They follow her everywhere, learning about the world. And here's Bella the cow. She spends her day munching on fresh grass and giving us delicious milk and cheese. Don't forget about Percy the pig. He loves to roll in the mud to stay cool on sunny days. Up on the hill, we have our fluffy sheep. They're busy eating grass and enjoying the sunshine. Look at Rosie the horse. He loves to run free and feel the wind and rain. The farmer takes care of all these animals. Every day is filled with love and laughter on this farm.